Okay, I'm going to give you a quick little video today of how to use the new U2DL-1343-1125, and this is basically just a double D punch, but you'll see shortly exactly how everything goes together and what you're able to do with it. What this is used for is making a standard receptacle opening. So the first thing you want to do is lay out your draw holes here, and they're going to be 1 inch 531 thousandths, which I believe is 1 inch and 17/32, if I'm right. And that happens to be the center distance for a standard receptacle opening. And what we're going to do is you're going to take and start by punching a master opening first. So we're going to put 1/2 of the duplex receptacle is going to go in to the unit to start with, and therefore you're going to want to take and watch your flats and make sure how you're oriented, etc. And of course we're going to be oriented here vertically, so we can just take and bring our present our punch and our base and our stud on it, put our punch on there, and then we cap it off with the nut. I'm not going to put it in terribly close because I think we'll use the gator on this, which is Greenlee's little hydraulic lithium pulling device. And of course we're just going to take and put the stud in that guy. Oh, I need a spacer washer on there to begin with. There we go. And I'll tell you what, I'll bet we can use a larger spacer on that and come out. Nope, gotta use a smaller one because you want a fair amount of threads on this in order for everything to mate up. So we're running this stud into the socket on the gator, and you would run it right in there until it bottoms. And now, probably the most critical thing is what we want to do at this point is make sure that we take and get our flats oriented just perfectly. And I'm going to take a little slop out of this guy. And you can take and orient it, or you might use a little trick. You can take and position it and hold it a little bit with the opening from your template. It looks good. Pull the trigger, make the opening. And now you have basically 1/2 of your receptacle opening. And what we're going to be doing next is orienting the bottom half by using this template. It's going to go on here just like this. So once again, standard procedures for unloading the die that's in the slug that's in the die set from before. And when we go to take and do the bottom hole, same situation is going to take and apply here. We're going to take and start out with our gator or our other pulling device collar. And oops, we do need a collar on there. Just grab that guy. And then we'll take and present it to our second hole. And put our punch on it. Put our nut on it. And now orienting it, it's not going to be a big problem because this is what's important here, is you can take and put this plate on here, and when that slips into the top opening, it's got the bottom completely oriented. And you may want to take, and we provided here drill guide holes for the device itself and the drill guide hole for what would be the plate that would go over this. And this is hardened tool steel, so you can go ahead and take a your drill and pop these holes in, and they'll be located perfectly for this hole and the top and bottom mounting holes of the vise. So once you're all set up like this, we just want to take and put a little pressure with our thumb here on this to hold this plate in configuration, and you basically just take and run your gator, and off comes that plate, and you now have a completed duplex receptacle opening. So a little bit of messing around, because you do need the template to accurately locate that second hole, but you actually punch two of the identical double D holes, and it makes your receptacle opening. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions in the use of this equipment, then simply take and drop us a ticket on our website and our help button, or you can take and give us a call at 888-959-7395. Have a great day.